3, 6, and 9. Most people would say that these are simple numbers. Primary school children learn to count with them. Yet most people are blind to what is really hidden in these numbers. Let me explain what I mean by that. Have you ever stopped to contemplate the mysteries that hold our universe together? In the infinite vastness of space and the hidden depths of matter, there are secrets just waiting for us to discover. One of the greatest pioneers in this quest for knowledge was Nikola Tesla, a man whose inventions and discoveries still form the basis of our modern world today. But behind the well-known achievements, Tesla hid a deep secret that could change the way we look at the universe forever. This secret revolves around the seemingly simple numbers 3, 6, and 9. But before we unveil this mystery, let us pause for a moment and consider the journey of this extraordinary man. Nikola Tesla, born in a small village in Croatia, was fascinated by science from a young age. His mind was like a sponge, soaking up knowledge with an insatiable curiosity. Tesla's contributions to electricity and energy are legendary. His work on alternating current, radio waves, and wireless power transmission laid the foundations for today's technology. But Tesla's genius extended far beyond these achievements. He believed that the universe was imbued with invisible forces that, once understood and harnessed, would elevate humanity to a new level of existence. Now, dear viewer, imagine you are on the cusp of a discovery that could challenge everything we know about energy, frequency, and the universe itself. Tesla discovered something so profound that it still amazes many of us today. He discovered that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 represent a key to the universe. But what does that actually mean? And how can simple numbers have such power? Before we uncover these secrets, we need to understand that these numbers are not just digits. They represent frequencies, vibrations that form the basis of all existence. Everything in the universe, from the smallest particles to the largest galaxies, vibrates at a certain frequency. These frequencies are the music of the cosmos, a universal orchestra that plays in perfect harmony. And it is precisely here, in this symphonic masterpiece, that the numbers 3, 6, and 9 play a decisive role. But why these numbers in particular? What makes them so special? Well, dear viewer, I must ask you to be patient a little longer. Because to understand the true meaning and power of these frequencies, we need to dig deeper. We need to explore the connections that Tesla saw between these numbers and the universe, and how through their application our world, and perhaps even ourselves, could be transformed. Imagine a world where energy flows freely and infinitely, where our connection to the cosmos is defined not only by the stars we look at night, but also by the fundamental frequencies that form the foundation of our reality. This knowledge, dear friend, is more than just a scientific curiosity. It is a signpost to a new way of understanding and interacting with the world around us. So, are you ready to embark on this journey with me? Are you ready to uncover the secrets Tesla discovered that have the potential to revolutionize not only science, but also our daily lives? Let's explore together the meaning of frequencies 3, 6, and 9, and how they influence the universe. The journey ahead is as fascinating as it is mysterious, and I promise you it will be a journey like no other. Now we turn to one of the most fascinating chapters in the history of science and the research of a man whose thinking pushed the boundaries of what was possible. Nikola Tesla, a name synonymous with ingenuity and vision, introduced us to a world where numbers are more than just a means of quantifying reality. His obsession with the numbers 3, 6, and 9 opened a door to an understanding of the universe that goes far beyond what we can see with the naked eye. Tesla believed that these specific numbers held the key to understanding the universe. But why these numbers? What did Tesla see that was hidden from the rest of us? To understand this, we must first look at the fundamentals of frequencies and vibrations, which form the foundation of physics and our entire existence. Everything in our universe, from the tiniest particles to the farthest galaxies, vibrates in some form. These vibrations create frequencies that are the essence of all living and non-living things. Tesla realized that frequencies and vibrations are not just a scientific curiosity, but a universal language that, when understood, provides profound insights into the mysteries of nature. He saw the numbers 3, 6, and 9 not as simple mathematical constructs, but as fundamental principles that reflect the structure and harmony of the cosmos. For Tesla, these numbers represent a pattern, an order in the apparent chaos of the universe. But what makes these numbers so special? Let's pause for a moment and think about it. The number 3 is often found in nature, from the basic structures of life to the complex systems that organize the universe. The number 6 symbolizes balance and perfection in many cultures and sciences. And the number 9 stands for the divine, the infinite, an echo of infinity that reverberates throughout creation. Tesla's research and his deep connection to these numbers went beyond pure mathematics. He saw them as the key to opening the door to a new way of interacting with the world. He believed that by understanding the role these frequencies play in the universe, we might be able to harness energy in ways previously thought impossible. Think long-distance wireless energy transmission or the ability to resonate with the pure energy of the cosmos. But how exactly do these frequencies affect our daily lives? They are all around us and within us. From the way our hearts beat to the cycles of the planets and stars, everything follows a rhythmic pattern determined by frequencies. Tesla understood that the harmony and disharmony we experience in the world is directly related to the vibrations that permeate everything. Imagine, dear viewers, a world in which we learn to work with these frequencies, to use them to our advantage. A world where energy is no longer limited or wasted, but is free and abundant, guided by the fundamental principles Tesla discovered. This is the world Tesla envisioned, a world transformed by the deep understanding and application of the mysterious powers hidden in the numbers 3, 6, and 9. But before we can realize this vision, we must be willing to open our minds and look at the world in a way that Tesla did. We must learn to look beyond the surface and recognize the hidden patterns that form the foundation of our reality. Only then can we begin to unlock the full potential of these universal frequencies and perhaps one day unlock the secret that Tesla so passionately sought to understand. Now it is a matter of deciphering the meaning behind the numbers 3, 6, and 9 as Nikola Tesla understood them. These numbers are far more than simple markers on a number line. They are the foundation of a universal code that permeates the fabric of our reality. Tesla, a visionary far ahead of his time, recognized the profound connection between these numbers and the fundamental principles of the universe. Let's explore together these mystical numbers and unveil their hidden meanings that so fascinated Tesla. The number 3 is often considered the fundamental building block of creation. In many cultures and spiritual beliefs, it symbolizes harmony, wisdom, and understanding. For Tesla, the number 3 represented the source of all energy and the foundation on which the universe is built. He saw it as a recurring pattern that manifests itself in everything, from the smallest atoms to the furthest galaxies. This number embodies the idea that the universe is symmetrical and harmoniously structured at its core. It stands for the triad found in many natural phenomena: beginning, middle, end, birth, life, death, and in the physical world as dimensions of space and time, length, width, and height. The number 6 symbolizes the flow of energy and the harmony that exists in the natural world. It represents the perfect balance and dynamic interaction necessary to maintain equilibrium in the cosmos. Tesla recognized that the number 6 plays a key role in the structure of creation by reflecting the efficiency and order in the energetic systems of the universe. This number illustrates how energy flows in cycles, moving from one state to the next, creating a harmonic resonance that forms the foundation for the manifestation of the physical world. The number 9 represents the universe itself and its infinite energy. It is the symbol of completeness and ultimate knowledge. Tesla saw the number 9 as the key to infinity, a manifestation of the infinite possibilities offered by the universe. This number embodies the concept that the universe is a dynamic, constantly evolving entity whose complexity and beauty are immeasurable. The number 9 represents the idea that in the infinity of the cosmos there is an underlying order and unity that permeates and connects everything. Tesla skillfully wove the meaning of these numbers into his work and inventions. His fascination with the numbers 3, 6, and 9 was not merely theoretical, he integrated them into the practical application of his technologies. From his famous Wardenclyffe Tower, designed to transmit wireless power, to his experiments with electric currents, Tesla used the principles underlying these numbers to maximize the efficiency and potential of his inventions. He believed that by harmonizing our technologies with the fundamental frequencies of the universe, as symbolized by the numbers 3, 6, and 9, a new era of energy efficiency and transmission could be ushered in. I am happy for you that you have been on this journey with us so far. If this video has touched your heart or brought you new insights, it would be wonderful if you would really support us. You can become a channel member. It's easy to do via the link in the description below this video. Then, for a small monthly donation, you can watch all new videos before they are public to everyone else. If you decide to do this, thank you. After all, we are all here to grow and learn together, and your support is the light that illuminates our path. In contemplating Tesla's work and his deep connection to these numbers, a vision is revealed that reaches far beyond his time. He saw a universe imbued with a deep harmony and a system of order reflected in the simple beauty of the numbers 3, 6, and 9. These numbers are not only a key to understanding the universe, but also a guide for developing technologies that are in perfect resonance with the natural laws of the cosmos. Next, we will talk about the practical application of the mysterious frequencies that Nikola Tesla discovered and how he attempted to utilize them in his groundbreaking experiments and inventions. Tesla's work is steeped in trying to understand and manipulate the Earth's natural frequencies to lead humanity into a new era of technology and energy. In particular, his experiments with wireless power transmission and the construction of the Wardenclyffe Tower exemplify his vision of solving energy problems and revolutionizing our interaction with technology. Tesla realized that the Earth itself generates vibrations, natural frequencies that are present all around us. He believed that by tapping into these frequencies, specifically the numbers 3, 6, and 9, an unlimited source of energy could be tapped. Tesla experimented with electromagnetic waves and their resonant frequencies to transmit energy wirelessly over long distances. His goal was to develop a technology that would allow energy to be sent and received like radio waves, freely accessible to anyone in the world. The Wardenclyffe Tower, Tesla's most ambitious project, was to become the physical proof of his theories. Planned as the first station for wireless energy transmission, the tower was to send energy through the Earth and the atmosphere based on the principle of resonance. Tesla envisioned that by using the right frequencies, specifically those symbolized by the numbers 3, 6, and 9, the tower would be able to send energy across continents, without wires, without losses, efficiently and sustainably. The theoretical basis of Tesla's work with frequencies and wireless energy transmission is based on resonance theory. By adjusting the frequency of an energy source to match the natural frequency of another object, energy can be transmitted efficiently, similar to how one tuning fork can make another vibrate when both share the same frequency. Tesla believed that by utilizing these universal frequencies, humanity would be able to distribute energy globally and without harming the environment. The application of these frequencies has the potential to solve our energy problems and fundamentally change the way we interact with technology. Imagine a world where energy is freely available, where no wars need to be fought over oil, no landscapes need to be sacrificed for energy production, and everyone has access to clean energy regardless of their geographical location. Tesla's vision was to create such a world where energy, like knowledge, is free and accessible to all. Although Tesla's dreams of the Wardenclyffe Tower were not realized in his lifetime, his ideas and visions live on. Modern science and technology are only now beginning to explore the potential of wireless energy transmission and the use of natural frequencies. Tesla's work continues to inspire generations of scientists and engineers to seek innovative solutions to the world's energy problems. The application of frequencies, as Tesla proposed, remains a fascinating field with the promise to transform our society and our environment. As we look to the future, we can only speculate how far Tesla's visions can take us. What is clear is that his work encourages us to look beyond the boundaries of the known and unlock the secrets of the universe with the hope of creating a better, more sustainable world. If you feel that this video has had value for you so far, I'd love for you to share that value with a donation through the Super Thanks button below the video, as much as feels right and fair to you. Any gesture of appreciation is a precious gift to me recording these videos. Now it's on to explore the spiritual dimension of Nikola Tesla's discoveries and illuminate the deeper connection between frequencies 3, 6, and 9 and the idea of a universal consciousness. Tesla's work, although strongly rooted in physics, inevitably touches on the realm of the spiritual. His fascination with these particular numbers and their application in his scientific endeavors provides a fascinating starting point for thinking about their meaning in a broader, universal context. Tesla himself saw nature and the universe through a lens that was both scientific and deeply spiritual. He understood that the physical laws that govern the universe are not separate from the spiritual principles that guide life. The frequencies 3, 6, and 9 reveal a symmetry and harmony that goes far beyond their mathematical significance. They reflect a universal order that exists at a level of consciousness that we are only beginning to understand. The idea of a universal consciousness, a collective spirit that permeates all forms of life, is found in many spiritual traditions. These traditions teach that everything in the universe is interconnected, a view that resonates with Tesla's beliefs. The numbers 3, 6, and 9 could be seen as keys to this deep, interconnecting consciousness, as frequencies that form the fundamental structure of this collective consciousness. By understanding and applying these frequencies, we could potentially create a closer connection to this universal consciousness, further our own spiritual development, and find a path to transformation. Interestingly, echoes of the numbers 3, 6, and 9 can be found in numerous spiritual traditions and practices around the globe. From sacred geometry, which serves as a visual expression of spiritual truths, to the diverse practices that emphasize the importance of cycles and triads, these numbers dot the spiritual landscape. They symbolize concepts such as creation, preservation, and destruction, or birth, life, and death, reflecting the cyclical nature of the universe and our own existence. These frequencies and numbers are found not only in abstract concepts, but also in practical spiritual practices, such as meditation and mantra chanting, which aim to harmonize individual energy with the universal energy. Practitioners of these traditions often report profound transformations in their personal and spiritual lives made possible by consciously working with these frequencies. The spiritual implications of Tesla's discoveries invite us to reflect on the role that frequencies play in our own development. By learning to resonate with frequencies 3, 6, and 9, we may find ways to raise our personal and collective vibration, leading to deeper insights and expanded consciousness. This journey of spiritual discovery offers not only the opportunity to deepen our connection to the universe, but also to realize that together science and spirituality can paint a more complete picture of reality. The discoveries of Nikola Tesla, particularly his work with frequencies 3, 6, and 9, touch on profound spiritual truths and offer a fascinating insight into the connection between science, nature, and the spiritual aspect of human existence. By exploring these connections, we can begin to understand the world around us and our own existence within the universe in new and transformative ways. Next, we look at the continuing relevance of Nikola Tesla's discoveries today, particularly in the context of modern science and technology and alternative energy sources. But rather than focusing solely on the physical aspects such as free energy, we look deeper into the spiritual and frequency-based implications of his work. Tesla's findings on frequencies 3, 6, and 9 offer insights not only into energy transmission, but also into the potential for personal growth and the transformation of our collective consciousness. Inspired by Tesla's visions, scientists and researchers continue to explore the profound possibilities that frequencies and resonances offer in various fields. From quantum physics to neurobiology, the idea that frequencies play a central role in the structure of the universe and our own reality is gaining momentum. Modern experiments dealing with healing through sound waves, the manipulation of matter through frequencies, and the exploration of consciousness reflect Tesla's original intuition and his scientific investigations. The spiritual implications of Tesla's work are profound and far-reaching. Frequencies 3, 6, and 9 provide a bridge between the material world and the deeper, spiritual aspect of our existence. Modern spiritual movements and practices are increasingly utilizing knowledge of the power of frequencies to promote healing, transformation, and expansion of consciousness. Meditation techniques based on specific vibrations, sound therapies that use harmonic frequencies to improve physical and mental well-being, and even the integration of frequency work into everyday technology are just a few examples of how Tesla's findings are being applied today. The ongoing research and experimentation inspired by Tesla's work has the potential to shape our future in many ways. By learning to better understand and utilize the frequencies and the forces hidden within them, we could not only open up new ways of generating and transmitting energy, but also delve deeper into understanding our own consciousness and the universal connections. Recognizing and applying the spiritual dimensions of frequencies could lead to a more inclusive, conscious, and harmonious existence, both individually and collectively. If you know someone whose day could be brightened by this video, feel free to share it with them. Your generosity and commitment is what makes our community so special. Thank you for being a part of it and walking this path with us. I wish you only good things on your journey. Exploring the relevance of Nikola Tesla's discoveries in today's world, especially the spiritual and frequency-based aspects, shows that his legacy encompasses far more than just the technological innovations. Tesla's work offers an invitation to understand the world around us and within us more deeply by recognizing and using the language of frequencies. Through ongoing research and experimentation in this field, we open ourselves to the possibility of transforming not only our technological landscape, but also our spiritual understanding and our collective future.